we can pull this over here. And now you can kind of see me on the other platforms with my background and everything. But you can't see me on this platform, sadly. So, let's see. If you're watching this on other platforms, feel free to say hi. I do not have the chat functioning on the other platforms yet. There's some additional plugins and things. This is a fairly fresh setup, so I don't have all of that working as of yet. Let me see if I can use the web. Let me pull this up. Move that to, nope. So let's pull this up and we'll just kind of pull this over to the other side here. And let's check my restream. Yeah, we're going to go with that. Let's log in. And we'll see if the chat's working on the other platforms. I should show live there. Am I showing as live? Stream started. Okay, cool. Oh no. Yeah, September 29th. Oh yeah, it sees me. Okay, cool. Alrighty. Oh no. Oh, my account access has expired. I don't know if I want to do that one. I don't need X and I don't need Facebook. YouTube and Twitch are the only ones I really need. Let's see if I can get to chat. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, so chat is working on the other platforms. Cool. Keep an eye on that. I don't know why. What's going on here? It'd be really nice if I could display all the things on all platforms, but again, work in progress, right? Let's see what we got going on here. Still compiling from source. For anyone wondering, I got a nice little build here going, trying to get this set up. But you get down to 12 packages and it decides to compile one from source. Hate it when that happens, but that's how it goes. I guess we don't really need the OBS screen up on here, and we'll just make this one the big one for now. Oh, will it not? There we go. Now we're big. Not that it means or does anything. For anyone who's watching on the other platforms, you should be able to see my TikTok live studio stream. As you can see, it will not allow me to do image capture as of yet, or display capture. Unfortunately, that's restricted for the time being. So we'll have to do this a couple of more times. And let's see, I have to go live for 25 minutes each. So we might cut it off right at the 25-minute mark. See what happens. I got other things that I should be doing today. For those of you on the other platforms, let's bring something over to make this a little bit more interesting. So, I don't want to cover up that side. Let's do the other side here because my face is not as important. And yeah, I guess we can do, where's the TikTok studio? Is it OBS? Oh, it won't let me do halvesies with the TikTok studio? That's interesting. Oh, you can still kind of see it there. Okay. So, look in here. Let's see what we got. We got, let's go into our packages. And see. There are, let's move some things around here. So in our development section, let's take a look. So let's bring these over here. Editors, we'll bring those in here. GitHub. Yeah. I will need to move over some of the system packages because I want to keep the development stuff together as much as I can. Docker and Podman. I do I have Podman set up on here? I don't think I do. This particular laptop that I'm remoted into is not really powerful enough to be sitting and running a ton of containers on. It's got 16 gigs of RAM, but that good old 5th gen processor just doesn't have the oomph to run all those. It's only a quad core, so I would be just pegging that processor pretty badly. Let's bring those over. Okay, so VS Code, Helix, GPT, and Evil Helix. Now if we go to, whoops, my bad. Let's go into, I need to get those shell aliases set up. I'll have to read how to do that the way I need to. I also need to get my Git user ID and stuff set up in my home.nix file. That way I can get use all command line Git commands and connect it to my GitHub instance. I have the API key or the SSH key exported for that. I just don't have it set up, so that's a work in progress. Let's see here. This is going to be system.nix for system packages. Let's take a look. So we need to find Helix. So we got the Helix GPT and Evil Helix. So let's comment that out for now. And let's find, oh, VS Code is up here as well. Oh. Eventually I'll want to move some of these over. For right now we'll keep them here. Nix Vim. Yeah, I don't want to move that around and break stuff. Let's just do those for now. And let's rebuild. So if we go in here, we can do this lovely fancy rebuild and hope I don't break anything. Let's see what we get. I am only 2 years into my NixOS journey. It has been a lot of things, most of which I could say is frustrating. But when you get to the point where you are having little wins here and there, it becomes extremely rewarding. I have deployed about 5 or 6 laptops with this in just under a couple of hours. All apps installed. The only thing that you have to do really after the fact is log into everything. Once I learn more, I'm hoping that I can store my secrets and do secrets management safely and securely, so that way I don't have to worry about, you know, posting those to or accidentally posting those to GitHub. Definitely don't want to do that. That's a bad day for a lot of people. Let's see what we got here. So it should be building everything. And look at that, it's almost done. So just a couple of seconds. It's just moving stuff around. There's nothing really to build this time. It just has to move where it reads my code from for the configuration. So let's see what we get here. Come on, you can do it. 12 derivations that had to build for that. Why, I don't know, but hey. Alright, so here we go. And looks like we are done with that. I don't think... Let's see, what do we got here? If we look at our development, yep, so they are here. If we do this, actually, development.nix. Oh. It did not like that. That's weird. Oh, it did not like that either. Is it not reading the file? Interesting. Let's revert those changes. And put them over in here. Okay, so... let's remove those. We'll go back into system. And we'll bring those back in here. And let's rebuild. And see what we get. Hopefully we get those working again. They were working in the old config. I don't know why they didn't move the way I wanted them to. And it's probably going to rebuild the same 12 derivations again to move them back to the other part of the config. Oh, what happened? My audio. No sound. Yeah, because I wasn't talking. Thank you, TikTok, for the warning. Yeah, I was not talking, but that's okay. Again, I apologize for any background noise. I got this fan running above me. This equipment gets really hot, so hopefully, you know, the fan isn't too much. So, let's see here. And we're done. Okay, so now if I do hx, now it works. Oh, that's interesting. It did not like it when I moved it. I wonder why that is. So it works here, but it did not like when I moved everything over. Duplicates removed. Thunderbolt, yeah. Yeah, that's really weird. Oh. Let's get out of here. Nope, that's not what I want. Flake.nix, what do we got? So this should be fine. I don't know why. Why is it not? Let's see. Okay, there's the modules, but this isn't where you tell it where to look for. Where's the imports? That should be in my configuration.nix file. Actually, I like this color scheme a little bit better. Sorry for those on the TikTok live. You can't see my screen just yet. It's work in progress, getting things set up. Let's see here. So if we look at our imports, It's got our services, hardware configuration. Why does it not have... But it's reading the system.nix, right? Oh, in packages. Hang on. Where are the imports for packages? For system packages? Hang on. Packages equals inherit. This is... Oh, those are home packages. System packages. Import development. Yeah, so it should be reading both of these. Let's add inputs to this. Let's not just yet. And then flatten package categories into a single list. Yep, okay. Uncomment categories, dev packages. Yeah, we're not that fancy yet. We have Git. Whoops. Just flashed my email on screen. Oh well. Hopefully the Google spam blocks it. But yeah, I don't know why this isn't giving me... See, it should be reading system packages and development packages here. Core development product. So these are all of the... Okay, so these are all of the categories that it put into system packages. Uncomment categories you want to enable. But that's... Oh, so all of these... Oh, the categories are still here. Build database. Oh, I see. I see. So I have to... Editors. Let's take a look. If we do editors... development... Databases, containers... editors? Languages? No. I don't understand. If we do dev packages dot editors and let's see what happens. Development.nix. Here's our editors. Let's do this again. Oops. System.nix, and we'll go with development. And yeah, we'll just do these two this time. See what we get. Let's rebuild. Oh. Yay, auto completion. Alright, let's see what we get here. If this doesn't work, for everybody in the TikTok live, sorry you can't see my screen just yet. Alright, so we're rebuilding, trying to get the config running. See what happens. Oh, I got more likes. Okay. Sorry I missed that. You get so involved with things. Let's see here. Let's see here. Almost done building. It shouldn't take that long to build, and then we'll be able to test it again. But I'm hoping that that was... Oh, it's going to build 2 derivations. Oh no, 12 derivations. Why does it need to rebuild those 12 again just to move that configuration over? That makes no sense. Shouldn't take that long to do. Except this laptop is old. Alright, and oh, that's weird. That crashed my terminal. Why did it do that? Let's yes, I do want you to do that, but not right now. Let's open up a new one on this laptop. And let's just rebuild, see what we get. Okay, so let's see here. What are we at? That was it. You have to make sure that your categories are enabled, otherwise it will not enable your programs. So cool, we got that moved over. System.nix, let's pull VS Code out of here. Cool. And we'll rebuild. And that should solve that. And once we get that done, we will call it for today. Again, it's just going to be a quick stream. We'll come back again tomorrow. We'll do a little bit more. But we're almost done with this config. And then we should be good to get this set up for the next time. Can't wait till I can get gaming going on over here, but we'll see what happens. Sorry for everybody in the TikTok live. You can't really see my screen yet. Working to unlock those features in the TikTok studio. But if you follow me on other platforms, the purple app as well as the red app, you should be able to follow me and find me there and see my entire screen as it's intended. Alright, and it's almost done. It's going to build those, 15 derivations? That's weird. Just for that one app, it needed to go through all of that. So, interesting. And we're almost done. It should prompt me. Nope, it's not going to prompt me. Should be good here. Now, I can't launch VS Code from here because I'm on the Windows terminal. I'm remoted into my Linux machine, but yeah, that should do it. Thanks for everybody who joined and who just one more. I don't know what this is doing. Oh, hang on. What do we need here? 30 likes. One more what? I can't see this. Oh, here we go. Go live. Yep, so we went live. What else did we do here? We got 30 likes. No, we got 7. That's alright. That's alright. 10 minutes of views. That's alright. Edit your live title and about me all at once. But I did do that. That's weird. Okay. We'll fix that later. Got 30 minutes in. 1 like. Went for 20 minutes. Got the follower goal set up, so appreciate everybody who followed me and who joined the live today. We're going to come back again another time and do this again. So thanks to all who joined. We will catch you all on the flip side. I don't know how to end the live. Let's see here. What is this? End live. There it is. And we'll end that now. And we'll end it over here on the OBS side. But thanks again to everybody who showed up. Appreciate you.